How to fix the search bar crashing and freezing on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get the Windows search bar working properly again. First, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. From there, click on Task Manager. At this point, search for Windows Search or searchhost.exe in the list of running processes. From there, right-click on it and click on End Task to force stop the search process. After that, click on the search bar again to see if it reopens and works properly. In the next step, if it is still crashing or freezing, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on Privacy and Security. At this stage, click on Searching Windows. From there, scroll down and click on Advanced Indexing Options. After that, click on Advanced and then click on Rebuild to rebuild the search index. Once done, wait for the rebuild to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on how many files are on your PC. Following this, once the rebuild is done, close the window and test the search bar again. From here, if the search bar is still freezing, right-click on the Start button and click on Windows PowerShell or Terminal and run it as administrator. Type in sfc/scan now and press Enter to run the system file checker, and let it scan and repair any corrupted system files. Once completed, restart your PC and check if the search bar is working normally now. Finally, if the search bar is still not working, go to Settings, click on Apps, find Cortana or Windows Search, and click on Advanced Options, then click on Reset to restore the search feature to its default state. Man, that's it! If this guide helped you fix the search bar crashing and freezing on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.